In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall BibleShow program from your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to correctly uninstall BibleShow from either Windows 10 or Windows 11, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and look for Control Panel program here and click on it to open. However, if you can't see Control Panel option, then go to Start menu down here and then just search for Control Panel like that. And here it is. Tap on it. From this, go ahead and look for programs and features, and if you tap on this will list all the apps or programs that are running and installed on your Windows computer. As you can see, among the programs we have BibleShow. To uninstall it, just tap on it or click on it, and you can see you have an option to uninstall here, or you can also just right click on it and an uninstall option will be available for you. So I'll go ahead and tap on uninstall and then click on yes, and here we have this uninstallation wizard. Go ahead and confirm by clicking on uninstall. This will go ahead and begin an installation. Also, you'll have to confirm whether you wish to remove files that were installed with this app, and you can see it has quite a number of them. I'll confirm that indeed I want to remove them by tapping on yes, and as you can see, our app has been uninstalled. We no longer have the shortcut here, and now I can safely close because the uninstallation is complete. So that's how you can uninstall BibleShow program from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.